My name is Mahesh Sani. Here we are talking about project which names is hydraulic jack. So this is somewhere related to fluid mechanic. We can say somewhere related to fluid because in a hydraulic jack there's a we can say the fundamental thing which we use or due to which our model works. That is a fluid. The fluid, we can say fluid, the thing which have a tendency to flow. This is a definition of fluid. I tell you the kind of apparatus which we used in the project. I tell you. So the first is a silicone pipe, and the second I have prepared this. Now the second is two syringe. There is two syringe need. Third the measuring scale. The fourth one is a hot glue gun. This is the most important. A pen. This is a refill of hot glue gun. This is also a necessary part. The scissor. I can say this is the hard sharp sticks, we can say, and the ice cream sticks. As you can see, the copper wire, the naked copper wire. So these are the these are tools or apparatus, we can say, which we have used in this to make a model. Now I show you how to prepare the model. We start to make a model. So first what we need, the sticks, the 6 sticks, we can say, in a pair of 3. Okay. In this we attach the 3 sticks in a pair. So how should we how do attach with the copper wire? So look here, you can cut the copper wire, the first, second, third, and so on. So I'll show you how to attach. Okay. Bend like this. So it should be like this. Now come to the sticks. Let down and this, and insert the hole. Insert in the hole so that we can make a stronger or tightly. Okay, so it should be movable. As you can see, this is not coming outside. This one pair, and again this one pair, and this one pair. Now we are ready with the 3 pairs. So this is the 3 pairs we have made, and now the time to attach this. So we will cut and attach here and here. So yes, now we are ready with the 1 pair. As you can see, this is our 1 pair. As you can see, we have cut out 2 pieces, this and this. I show you where we have to attach this. Okay, so as you can see, this is attached. Okay, so wait for some minutes. Now we will place the second cutout. And we will also attach this with the and now it's time to attach the syringe. So as you can see that we are ready with our project. So this is our hydraulic jack. As you can also see the two syringe, the our model. So we are totally ready, and now I will demonstrate you, or you can say I will show you how it works. See, we have put the two things, the scissors and knife. This is lifting up when I applied the force in this first series, and this is the second series. So as you can see, this is coming up, and now further down, pull back. So this is coming back. So this is a practical thing which I have done. So thank you so much.